Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products. And the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Extreme Glow Strong Lightening Beauty Milk. Extreme Glow Lightening Beauty Milk is a hydrating, lightweight body lotion that smoothens the skin while reducing the appearance of unwanted marks. This product synergistically targets hyperpigmentation and dark marks, thereby fading the appearance of discolorations, reversing signs of premature aging and making skin tone look brighter and radiant. It also features ingredients such as vegetarian and has been proven to specially and effectively lighten and whiten. It contains components that are active and have the ability to fight against all types of hyperpigmentation problems on the skin, such as scars, pregnancy and acne marks, age spots, and sun patches. This magnificent blend of argan oil and vegetarian gives the body not only a lighter shade in color, it also softens and revitalizes the skin. How to use Extreme Glow Strong Brightening Beauty Milk. After a thorough bath, dispense the body lotion into the palm. Apply it to damp or dry skin as needed. Massage this lightening body lotion over the entire body until completely absorbed for better results. Use it twice a daily. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.